Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I'm super excited. Holidays, yay. Alright, so I'll be showing you how I got this like green, I don't know, it's like smoky type of deal going on in the eyes, and then I'll be showing you 3 different options that you can wear with this look. And so if you are interested in seeing how I got this, then please keep on watching. We started off with my base. I made sure to put on my moisturizer, my foundation, concealer, and I set all of that with powder. And you guys know I like to leave my nose like this to bake for a little bit. So next I'm just going to go in to contour my face. So I'm taking my Beige Cosmetics contour palette and I'm mixing these 2 colors right here. Next, taking my NYC color wheel in Pink Cheek Glow for a pop of color on my cheeks. Also, what I've been liking lately is setting powder right here just to chisel it out a bit more, and I'm using the Airspun. So we're going to leave the nose and the cheeks to bake while we work on our eyes. So I'm going to set my eyelids first with the lightest shade in my contour palette, just so we have a nice space for the colors and it's easier to blend. Then taking my Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'll be using most of the greens in there, but let's start out with this like lime green, yellow green color right beneath the yellow. And I'm taking that just with my finger. So I'm placing it right here so it can give me a nice transition color for my darker greens that I'll be using in a bit. Next, with a fluffy brush, I'll be picking up this brighter green right here. I'm going to be placing this into the crease and blending it upwards into that transition color. I'm also taking that same color onto a smudge brush. It's very dense and I like using these kinds of brushes for the lower lash line. So picking up that same green for the lower lash line. Now taking a smaller blending brush, I'm taking the darker green. So we use the brighter green here into our crease. Right next to it's a darker green. And I'm going to focus this onto the outer corners of my eye, like the outer V, just to deepen that green. I still want the bright green to show up. And I'll put this in onto a bit on the lid as well. I want to deepen up the look just a little bit, just to make it a little bit more smoky. So I'm taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill. I'm taking this color right smack in the middle on the bottom. It's not completely black. This one is the blackest black in the palette. This is a lighter, well, I want to say maybe it's like a lighter gray, almost like with the greenish tint. With that same smudge brush that I was using earlier for my lower lash line, I'm picking up just a tiny bit of that into like a V. Go ahead and put that color into your lower lash line as well. Next, we're going to pop on our highlight into our eyes using my Carli Bybel palette. And I'm using this gold highlight shade. So pretty, and what better way to do Christmas look than gold highlight, I think. I think either frosty white or gold. But today I'm feeling gold for this green. So pop that onto your brow bone and into your inner corners. And now that we have that situated, we can finally blend out that powder on our nose and on our cheeks. let's go ahead and pop on that same gold highlight that we used for our brow bone and inner corner onto our cheekbones. Oh yeah. A little bit of that onto the cupid's bow as well. I'm going to fix my eyebrows. I'm going to do my winged eyeliner and I'll put on some mascara off camera and I'll be right back. I am back, guys. You can definitely put on falsies if that is what you prefer. I just didn't feel like wearing them today. I also forgot to mention I like to line my waterline with black eyeliner. So now let's move on to lips. So I'm going to give you 3 different options. So option number 1, usually when you have bueno. Sí. No sé, ¿le puedo preguntar? Sí, mija, pregúntame porque vengo que te hablar a ti. So for some reason, some clips got deleted at the end, so sorry about that. This is all I had from the nude lip. I used the Maybelline matte in Beige Babe and my Bare Minerals lip gloss in Totally. Second lip option, it will be a red lip. This is if you want to be like super festive and you'll have green going on in your eyes and then red on your lips. You'll be like the traditional Christmas colors and I think it'll look super cute. Whoa, what's going on with my hair? You guys already know my favorite Truest Red lipstick, Maybelline Matte in Rich Ruby. Third lip option is another red lip, but this has a different feeling to it. It takes the festiveness up a notch because it is metallic. I used the Milani Metallic Matte Lip Cream in Amore Matte, and I think this was probably my favorite one for this look, definitely. And that was all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a big like. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you in the next one.